Hi, in this lecture, we're going to talk about the skin, which is called integumentary system, the term you may not familiar with. This is actually the anatomy of the skin. So it has two major categories, one of which is the skin, which is the largest component in the integumentary system, and the last one is the surrounding organs, like accessory organs, such as sweat glands, exocrine glands, and we have like hair, nails, and etc. So skin can be divided into three components. Before we dividing the skin can be divided into two other major categories according to the existence of keratin. Oh, I'm sorry, the stratum lucidum, which is layer that is composed of keratinocytes, which is really a thick layer that only exists in the thick skin. So thick skin has five keratinocytes, layers of keratinocytes, and thin skin only has four layers of keratinocytes. Keratinocytes is a cell that produces keratin, which gives the skin its strengthness and it enables our skin to repel water. So it is often called hydrophobic, which hates water, so it repels water. And the skin, um, so as I mentioned before, the skin is divided into three components, which are the epidermis and dermis and hypodermis. Epidermis is, as you can see by looking at the suffix epi, which means outer layer of the skin. So, um, as you might notice when you're studying epithelium, so which is the most outer layer of the cell, outer layer of your skin. So it is composed of epithelium and largely made of um, the connective tissue is highly regenerative. And you have dermis, which is the middle layer of the skin. And finally, you have the hypodermis. Um, as my guess, it's the under the dermis, so it's called hypo.